Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you one of the traditions that we usually do during Christmas Eve, so the reindeers can have some snack while they stop here outside while Santa puts the Christmas presents here. We are going to make a whole craft with the kids today, and we are going to show you how you can do it. Something similar. You will need a paper bag, you will need some wiggly eyes, or you can just draw some eyes. You will need the handprint from your little one, and you will just cut it from construction paper here, and you can use this or either draw the nose. This will be the bag where you will be adding the reindeer food. We will be making like kind of real reindeer food because the ingredients is basically bird food and oatmeal. And don't worry, if you don't have bird food, you can just make some with some seeds that you have at home. I'm gonna be using oatmeal and some seeds like sunflower seeds, and I will show you how to make it. I found this on Pinterest and I'm gonna be adding it to the paper bag here. So this is the message. It says, "Sprinkle this reindeer food outside tonight. The moonlight will make it sparkling bright. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this will guide them to your home." And your little ones will be really excited about this whole process of making this craft, making the rain food and putting it outside. I'm gonna show you just a little bit of how we did it last year, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it this year as well.
We are going to start making our reindeer food, and we are going to need a bag to put it on. So we are going to use paper bags. We're going to use a piece of construction paper, brown, and we're going to use some wiggly eyes. We're going to need a glue stick, scissors, a pencil, and the food, but I will let you know what is the food in a few seconds. Okay? Let's get started.
First of all, you have to give them the bags, and then you need to draw their handprints so you can have the ears from the reindeers. Then I started cutting the handprints while they will stick the wiggly eyes and draw their nose, like Rudolph's nose. lovely to see Eli being so interested in this craft. He was really involved and he really enjoyed doing this craft.
Open the bag.
Yeah.
Now it was time to pour Rudolph or the reindeer's food on the little bag so it could be ready for Christmas Eve.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, so for the recipe of the reindeer food, what we did was just to add like 4 tablespoons of these porridge oats. And what does it have, this one? It has oat flakes, rye flakes, barley flakes, but you can actually do any bird food in combination with oats and that will work. It's like a complete healthy food for the reindeers, kind of realistic food for the reindeers. And of course, when any outdoor animals that come and eat this kind of food will be good and safe by eating this. So what I did was just a mix of these porridge oats in combination of some pumpkin seeds. And the reindeers will be healthy and safe for delivering all the gifts with Santa. Sprinkle this reindeer food outside tonight. The moonlight will make it sparkle bright. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this will guide them to your home. And of course, you can just use your imagination and add either wiggly eyes or just stickers. Here you can use stickers or a marker. And as you can see, this one is from my oldest daughter and this one is from my boy, my little boy. We used in this case for the nose one of these. It was much easier. It was the color ruby red and this is a mini dots. I will add that link for it in the description down below if you would like to find something similar to this, as well as where you can find the wiggle eyes. And these one are just paper bags and construction paper here. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.